Yeah, it's Zorro. There, right here he is. Over there.
I guess he went into the water, Sam.
It's a bird. Right flying up high up here over the hotel. You don't see him. You're not looking up. Turn it up.
I've got a movie going on this. I'm recording it.